Hello guys, this is Pawan from Electronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how basically we can switch from a Wayland display server to Xorg display server in Ubuntu. Xorg display server is a legacy display server in Ubuntu in which some of the old applications are still runs. So that's why they have maintained that display server. It's still in the Ubuntu machine. And by default we generally work with Wayland server. So sometimes some of the applications requires Xorg display server, so we have to switch to that thing. So it's a very simple thing. What you have to do, you have to just click on here. I'm using basically 24.04 LTS. You will just go here and you have to click on this this icon, shutdown icon, and here you have to just click on the logout only. Just click on the logout, and okay, so we will just click on this logout, and as soon as we will click on the logout, we will see the logout screen here. And here in this we have to click in our username. And as soon as we'll click on our username, we will see this gear icon here. Here in this gear icon, we have to just click and we have to select the first one is the Wayland, and the second one is basically the Xorg legacy. So we can easily switch. Right now I'm in that Xorg itself, and we will just now re-log in. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.